Alright guys, I think I say that on every video. Alright guys, let me try something different. Hi first grade. You should be looking at level 2, DIY 3. Oh, that's tiny. Level 2, DIY 3, equations that make 10. So, you'll notice in each equation, one addend or one number is missing. Okay? And our job is to determine the missing number. We're going to use a strategy called punching the number, or the part I know, and counting on till we get to 10. Now you'll notice sometimes the addends are in different positions, and that does not matter. In addition, the order does not matter. If it's missing in the back or if it's missing in the front, the same strategy will work. Alright, so let's try some together. Let's say we were trying to solve or find the missing part of this equation. Something plus 3 equals 10. Okay? Well, the part I know is 3. And I've got to figure out this missing part. This missing part is how many more do I need so that I get 10. So, I'm going to punch 3 and count on until I get 10. Okay? So when I punch 3, I'm going to be counting on, which means I'm going to be getting bigger. So I'm going to think of the next number after 3. Well, I know that the next number after 3 is 4. So let's punch 3 and count on until we get to 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So how many more did I need to get to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 was my missing part, because 7 plus 3 equals 10, or I could say 3 plus 7 equals 10. Now I'm going to show you a similar strategy, but instead of counting on with my fingers, I'm going to count on by drawing dots, and I'm going to use the same exact equation so you can see that even though I solve it differently, it comes up with the same number. I'm still going to punch 3, and I'm going to count on to 10, but instead of counting on fingers, I'm going to draw dots as I count on. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so let's count how many dots I had to draw until I get to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both ways I came up with 7. It's really about you figuring out which strategy works best for you. So we're going to practice both ways on each one of these equations. So let's clear it off. This time, let's try and solve 1 plus something equals 10. Okay, so the first time I solve it, I'm going to count on with my fingers. I'm going to punch 1 and count on to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's see how many fingers I had to pop up till we got to 10. Well, there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I needed 9 more fingers until I got to 10. Now, let's try the other way where we're going to draw dots. 1 plus something equals 10. Now, I get that the answer is right there, but I want you to see how both ways you'll still end up with 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. 10. Ooh, did you see how I goofed up? Let's do that again, because I just messed up. I stopped on 9, but I have to stop when I get to 10, so watch me fix that mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's count how many more we needed to get to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Both ways we came up with 9. It's about you figuring out what works for you. Let's try another one. Ooh, I'm going to trick you on this one. You ready? Something plus 0 equals 10. So we're going to punch 10 and count on. Oh, did you hear my mistake? I said we're going to punch 10. I'm sorry, we're going to punch 0 and count on. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many more fingers did I need until I got to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I needed 10 more because 10 plus 0 equals 10, or 0 plus 10 equals 10. Now, let's try that same one. So let's draw dots. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count how many dots I had to draw. I'm going to count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Both ways I came up with 10. You're exploring with what works best for you. Okay? So that's how you can use counting on to find the missing part in an equation. And this unit is specifically on making 10, so each time you're going to be trying to get to 10. Find that missing number that gets you to 10. And if it doesn't quite make sense to you yet, that's okay. Go back, watch the video as many times as you need. Good luck, guys.